Hey guys, my name is Alex, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a cool and popular effect like drawing animated lines on video. Well, it's quite simple, but be prepared because you will spend quite a lot of time during drawing. So let's begin. Choose a video and I will choose the moment from which we will draw the lines. For example, somewhere a car leaves the corner, start from here and cut this moment. Delete the necessary part of the video and we move the video to the beginning and look where this car will leave and cut this unnecessary piece of video at the end. Good. Let me remind you that I will show you the example of drawing in Adobe After Effects CS6. Let me preload this video for our work. Well, we have 6 seconds of video for our drawing. Move this grabber at the end of our video and move the first grabber also to the left at the very beginning. Okay, now we can choose the time from where we will start drawing. First you need to click 2 times on the title of our video from the left list. We click 2 times and it opens exactly in layer. Check that you have layer open cause you can draw on the composition. So we're going to use the brush tool. Choose a color, let's say I chose white, and choose the diameter of the brush. There are already default ones, I will take 8. And the most important, to draw lines only on a single frame, you need to set duration single frame. So, well, now we are almost ready for drawing. Move the slider to the leftmost side. The labels like 01F, 02F and so on should appear. And to move from the one frame to another, you need to press Ctrl plus left arrow for one frame back and Ctrl plus right for one frame forward. That is, we are going to draw each frame separately. You have to move using shortcuts or with the mouse and the top scrubber, it is up to you. Let's make a better zoom, and to make it more convenient to navigate through the video, you can use the hand tool. And we can move around the window with a preview. So it's more convenient to choose the moment of the video. Okay, let's choose the brush tool one more time, and now we start drawing lines. I'll start drawing some lines. For example, I start with the second frame, and on the third frame we can outline the traffic light, why not? You can make a brush smaller so it's more convenient drawing. We pass to the next frame, we have already lost everything here perfectly. One more time outline the traffic light. On the next frame we draw something else. To quickly cancel the past drawn line, Ctrl plus Z. Well, let's start drawing the car. Let's choose the moment from which is more better to start drawing the car. Great, we start drawing. Again, anything you want. The main thing is to draw each frame. For example, a tire, the whole car. I hope you understand the main idea. Well, let's see what happened in these few minutes. That is, you can draw individual frames longer. It all depends on your time and patience. Then video will be more beautiful. So I finished drawing these lines, I rushed and it took about an hour. It remains only to save the project and render it. If you don't know how to render the video, you can watch my another video. Once again, we will look at the result and that's all. This is a really simple and steep effect. Good luck to all, thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel to get new videos, bye.